Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to download a video from Google Drive. Downloading a video from Google Drive is simple. The first step is to log in your Google Drive account by clicking on the Go to Drive. Once you are logged in, locate the video file you want to download. So, uh, I log in the Drive. So this is home page and I uploaded a video and photos. So I want to download this video drive.mp4. So right click on the video file and select download. So select download. The download will start right away. It may take some time depending on your size, video file size and internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can open the file. That's it. This is the easiest way to download a video from Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this.